This is Eureka Math, 3rd grade, Module 4, Lesson 2, Exit Ticket. The first question says, each square is a square unit. Find the area of the rectangle. So we want to find out how many square units is this rectangle. So we could add them all up because we know that each square unit is worth 1. But instead of taking all that time, let's do what we did yesterday in lesson 1 and let's make an array and multiply. So we know there are 2 rows in this rectangle and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 columns. So 2 times 8 equals 16. So this rectangle is 16 square units. Number 3, Zach creates a rectangle with an area of 6 square inches. Luke makes a rectangle with an area of 6 square centimeters. Do the 2 rectangles have the same area? Okay, so we have to mark one oval. Now, is an inch the same thing as a centimeter? So if you took out a ruler and you looked, you would see that an inch is a lot bigger than a centimeter. So Zach's rectangle, let's say this is 6 inches, 6 square inches. That means Luke's rectangle would be a lot smaller. So do these, even though they both have the number 6, they do not have the same area because inches and centimeters are different. So our answer is yes, they both have an area of 6, so they're the same. Nope. No, centimeters are larger than inches, so they are not the same. Nope, centimeters are small. Nope, inches are larger than centimeters, so they are not the same. Yes, that is correct.